This is a guitar lesson for anyone for you by George Ezra. Right, here's what you're going to learn in this lesson. Hey there, welcome along. If this is your first time to this channel, welcome. I put up new tutorials each week, as well as many other guitar playing videos that help guitar players with struggles such as finger picking, strumming, bar chords and open chords. So be sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep up to date and receive help for all those. Okay, let's get into it. I've this split into 3 separate levels, from easy to intermediate to like exactly what he's doing on the record. So first thing you're going to need is a capo on the 3rd fret. There are 3 chords in this. If we want to do the easy version, we can go like this. Okay, so you have your G chord, your C chord, and your D chord. Now, keep watching to the end. I would suggest that even if that seems like it's the one for you, give the other ones a go. And these build a bass. So stay tuned for this rhythm. Here we go. So we're going to go down, 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 up on each chord. I'll do that one more time. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. And do it twice on your D. Okay, that is the way to play it in the beginning first. Okay, so that's your G to C to D. Now, level 2 goes as follows. You're going to play the G and the C the exact same. So again, we'll go. But this time, on your D chord, you're going to slightly vary the rhythm. And it goes like this. It goes. And the hours for that are listed in the description below this video if you want to see them. So it goes down, 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 up, up, down. I'll say that again. Down, 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 up, up, down. So do that once or twice with your guitar. Down, 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 up, up, down. And finally at the end of that rhythm, you just add in down, down, up. So all together we get this. And I'll say it as I play it. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And keep in mind, if you do want to see it, it is in the description below. So level 2 of how to play this song goes as follows. So we got our G to C as normal, then that extended rhythm on the D. I'll play it again. So it goes. Okay, now let's compare level 1 to level 2. So level 1, the rhythm was the same on each. And I'm going to go straight into level 2 afterwards. And you're going to hear a difference in the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So level 1, level 2. Sounds pretty cool. So that's level 1 and level 2. Now level 3 is exactly what you hear on the recording. Okay, notice the way my chord shape has changed already. So watch, I'll play it once. It's at this stage I'm going to share with you that I do have a handwritten guitar note. This is what I'm reading off. This is what I tabbed out. If you want to grab it, as well as like about 100 other songs in my song library that's pretty popular with viewers, it is listed below. You can find the details. So I'd suggest you get it to read the diagrams. Watch. I have this complicated bit I'm about to go into. I have it all written out in music notation and arrow markings and everything. Okay, so it's yours to download. So be sure to grab it. Now, here's the deal. The chord diagram. You're going to play your G with your pinky on the E string, your ring finger on the top string. Like that. That's the first step. What you'll do then is, you're going to put your index and middle where you have them for a C chord. We get that lovely sounding chord. Okay, so I'd get familiar with those two shapes first. And then you have a D at the end. D is D, right? So first step with that on the level 3 will be to practice your chord changes. What you could do then is play a simpler rhythm on it. So for example, the one we had from level 1, you could go G, this C with the G, then D. Okay, so you could do that to get used to the chord changes. Now, let's get into this rhythm. The rhythm goes as follows. Okay, so you'll find the arrows listed down below as well. However, let's get into it here. I'm going to count the first bit. I'm going to count 1 and 2 E and A. If you want to count that along with me, students find that super helpful. So count 1 and 2 E and A. And as you do that, you're going to strum down, 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 up, down, up. Notice how this, and by the way, stick around. This is so worth learning, seriously. So like 1 and 2 E and A. Down, 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 up, down, up. I'm basically saying the pace that I'm playing the arrows, the strums. So I'm going 1 and 2 E and A. So on that last up, I put down the 2 fingers here for that chord. 1 and 2 E and A. So that gives us that bit. Now, what we do next is, the rhythm gets a little more complicated. We count 3 E and A. So the count so far goes 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A. Notice the 3 E and A and the 2 E and A are going to be counted the same. 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A. Now, here's what you do on the 3 E and A. You're only strumming on the E and the A, and you're only doing an up strum. So 3 E and A. So grab your chord and try that with me. 3 E and A. And notice I go down on the 3 and down on the and. 3 E and A. Missing the strings, of course. Here's what we got so far. Those 3 up strums on that chord is the bit that I'm going to encourage you really to count on. So the count goes 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A. You can hear it in your mind as up, 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 but just to keep it fully in time, and that's why I'd suggest you grab this sheet. Okay, it'll really help to read along with. Okay, so 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 and. Then you go down, down on the 4 and. Down, down, like that. So we get this. 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 and. So down on the G, down on the C with the G. Sped up. Then D, you do the same rhythm on all the D. Down again, 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 and. 1 and 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 and. Alright, that is the whole song. Now, if you want to check out a play along video I've done along with it, click the link below. I have one done. Alright, enjoy guys. Remember to like and subscribe for new lessons each Friday. Thanks for watching. See you soon.